Hello everyone, this time I will give a tutorial on how to install the Cleo cheat on GTA San Andreas Android. Please watch this video until it's finished. Don't skip so you don't misunderstand. You open the ZArchiver application. You can download the ZArchiver application in the Play Store or in the link in the top comment. You also have to download the APK file and the Cleo script. The link is in the top comment. If the Cleo application and script have been installed, all you have to do is open the GTA San Andreas game. To bring up the Cleo cheat, all you have to do is swipe the screen from top to bottom. To choose the cheat, you tap the top or bottom or right or left according to what you want. To select the selected cheat, all you have to do is tap the center of your Android screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.